What's up, world? My name is Sarah, and welcome back to another episode of whatever it is that we're doing here. Snowstorm. Feeling the thrifting vibes. I can't remember. Woo! But it is snowy. This makes me so happy. Woo! There are significant delays in... And I kind of like the weather. It's gonna be worth it. Already in my lifetime, I don't know how many times, but phenomenal. I think it's the street. Find this a little odd and say that I'm crazy. There's so much snow. Greenish gray. Woo! I tried on, I don't know, 20 items. Bucket. Heading to my favorite do-it-yourself bling. Okay, this is the craziest thing I've done. I don't know what that is, actually. It's all part of the experience. We have a snowstorm, but that is not going to stop my plans. I've been wanting to go back to the thrift store that was recommended to me a few months ago. I can't remember, but I've been wanting to go back, and today is the perfect day, regardless of the snow. I might even visit my favorite thrift store as well, since they're relatively close to each other. So I'm gonna bundle up, brave the snowstorm, and go thrifting. Grab a warm drink, sit down, enjoy. Let's put our boots on and head outside. Woo! It's not cold, but it is snowy. Oh, this makes me so happy. I'm so happy you're joining me for today. Woo! It's slippery. Due to the lovely weather, there are significant delays in the tram schedules, so we'll see when we get there, if we get there, and how much we are going to need to walk. But it's an adventure I wouldn't miss, and I kind of like the weather, even though it's overwhelming. It's gonna be worth it. Trust me. Now, if I could only remember which street it was on. I think it's this street. Oh, we're almost there. There's so much snow, but we're finally here. We're at the first place. Woo! Let's go in. I tried on, I don't know, 20 items, and I got, I think 3 successful nonetheless. I hope you can hear me through the wind. All right, heading to my favorite thrift store, although this might become one of my favorites too. I really enjoyed the atmosphere and the whole, you know, it's a nice, clean, great thrift store, but we are going to embrace the winter wonderland and head to our second place. Let's go. Woo. Okay, this is the craziest thing I've done. Instead of doing the tram, I'm gonna walk to the location because there's so much delay that I'd rather keep moving than just stand in the blizzard. And yes, I'm sweating because the jacket's so hot. Of course, both of the trams that I could have used just went past me, but it's all part of the experience. I'm not gonna lie, I almost ate it. It's slippery, obviously, but we are almost there. Yay! I found a few things, enjoyed my tea. It is now getting dark, so we are going to catch a bus or tram, whichever one is up and running, and we are heading home. So yesterday was phenomenal. I don't know why I want to use that word, but I had such a fun day going through the snowstorm. That's why I tied my hair up today, because the hair, well, you saw it. And it was just, I was feeling the thrifting vibes. Even though I did get a good amount of stuff and the haul is going to be amazing, it just, everything felt right. Both of the places had a whole bunch of things I tried on, and I don't know, I was just feeling it. You know when you just feel whatever you're doing? Oh, that's such a rush and a high. I love it. Now to the items that I got. First thing I want to share is this Levi's t-shirt, which is quite worn. You can tell by the feel of the fabric, but there are no holes, no, like, even though this might look like it's discolorated, I actually got it specifically because it has that kind of washed over softness. And I don't know, Levi's is always a in kind of style. It goes for men and women, and this is just your regular gray basic tee that I would love to layer with a denim jacket or a sweater, or just have it as is. I love it. Next up is this greenish gray, not khaki. Okay, so anyway, this is a button-down shirt, and it has a beautiful pocket detail. So the pocket on the shirt and above it has this kind of bling detail, and the buttons are these, I don't even know what shape this is, but they have this kind of bling to them. And I don't know, this kind of style, obviously it needs to be steamed, but you could almost have it as a light kind of jacket, or if you want, you can button it up, tuck it in, roll the sleeves to have it as is. What do you think? It's pretty nice, I like it. Next, I found this green corduroy jacket. These are super in style at the moment. Corduroy has been in style and not in style already in my lifetime. I don't know how many times, but it's back in style. And this is so, this kind of green is, I love this. So it is a, I think they're calling it a shacket, like a shirt jacket. And that's exactly what it is. It has pockets with buttons. It has a button down. You can button it up or have it open. and I tried it on obviously, and I rolled the sleeves up. I like that kind of look, but you can also just button the sleeves. This was €4. It's crazy. And I don't know it. I was trying to look to see why somebody would want to sell or donate this, because not long ago did I see this exact jacket in the stores, like not even a few, like just a few months maybe.
What brand?
This is from Zara, and it's a size large, but I kind of like that kind of relaxed look. And I don't know, maybe whoever originally got it was like, it's not their style or color or whatever the reason, she's now mine. I like it. All right, I went denim crazy again, which is nothing new. And I do have a idea behind getting another denim jacket. So a while back, it was the end of the summer, I think, I thrifted a denim jacket, and I did some do-it-yourself bling, and I added some lettering on it. I'll link that video so you can see my lovely creation. But I wanted to try some of the embroidery that I've been into. If you haven't seen my previous video, I will also link that one so you can see what I did. And I was just interested to, I don't know, I want to see what I can do with the embroidery, and denim and embroidery seem to just complement each other, and that's why I got this jacket. Alone, this jacket was really comfortable, it fits perfect, the color is great, it has a bit of stretch, and you don't need to do anything to this jacket, but I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll film a different video. I don't know, we'll see. Comment below if you'd like to see what I do end up doing with the denim jacket. And if you do have some ideas or creations, pictures, anything, you can comment below, send me a picture on Instagram. I would love to see and hear your ideas. Now, the last two items are a set, or you can consider them a set. You can wear them separate or by themselves. And you might find this a little odd and say that I'm crazy, because I usually encourage people to not get anything from the thrift store that they have to fix. And I'm not following my rules. So, the first thing I wanted to share from the set is this knit crop top, which in itself, a crop top might sound crazy, but I liked it anyway. And the issue with this is that it has a bit of a run in the knit. Now, in general, I would not buy this, but I'm into all this arts and crafts and crocheting and embroidery, and it feels like a challenge that I want to accept, because I paid 50 cents, and otherwise the color and the fabric is so lovely that I couldn't pass. And if I can't fix it, 50 cents not gonna break my budget, and at least I can attempt to try and fix this. So it looks manageable. Now, to go with this crop top, there is a lovely sweater, same material, same fabric color. I'm seeing these around in the stores a lot too. And it is a 3-button V-neck simple sweater. Like I said, it's a set you could wear it with, or you could do something else. And again, this was like, I think, €3. And this guy has no holes, and I don't know, like I cannot see any wear or tear. This looks like this was bought, again, just weeks ago. I don't know. What do you think? Now, if you are an expert or even a semi-expert on fixing knitted items and you have some pointers, please comment below, because all the advice for these kind of projects are welcome, and we'll see what I can fix. Although the internet is amazing because you can find literally everything. There's advice for things that you probably shouldn't take advice. Well, that's a whole different video. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had such a good time. I have that thrifting fever. I want to go back again. I will definitely be going back thrifting, taking you along with me. I love making these videos. Hit that like button if you enjoy these videos. It really means so much to me. Subscribe to the channel. It's, you know, I'm so appreciative of your support. It means really the world to me. I can't believe we're over 100 subscribers, but we truly appreciate every single one of you that hit that subscribe button. It really, really means so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care now. He believed me. Should I button it up? What?
Later.
Why are you smiling like that?
Because I have it on tape. You believe me. Right.
I don't know what that is actually. We can do.
Wakanda.
Yes. Oh, well that's nice.